If you need a compact kitchen scale that does the basics exceptionally well, this one is worth a look. The bright, easy-to-read display and quick unit switching make measuring ingredients fast and hassle-free, whether you're baking bread, meal prepping, or tracking macros. Its small footprint won't take over your countertop, yet it delivers the accuracy needed for consistent results. Before buying, double-check the maximum weight capacity and supported measurement units to make sure it fits your needs. You can find current pricing and full specifications in the links below. Number 6. Featuring a distinct design, this scale focuses on straightforward accuracy for everyday baking. It delivers 1 gram precision across 33 pounds and 15 kilograms, supporting both imperial and metric units for recipe flexibility. The large glass platform and clear LCD help you see readings easily, even during busy baking sessions. A backlit display and tare function simplify counting multiple ingredients in one bowl. Measuring from 3 grams upward, it handles small spices as well as bulk flour. Waterproof surface makes cleanup simple when dough or batter splashes occur. Strong load sensors and a stable base help reduce wobble when the bowl shifts. This model suits home bakers who want consistent portions and compact kitchen tools. Those tracking macros may appreciate the ability to weigh ingredients in ounces or milliliters. If you need a no-frills, easy-to-read scale with broad capacity, this product earns a spot on your list. Number 5. Built with durability in mind, this compact digital scale slides neatly onto your counter while delivering precise readings for everyday cooking. It measures with 1G and 0.1 ounce resolution, stretching up to 10 kilograms or 22 pounds, which covers big bags of flour and small jars of spices. 6 units, including grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces, let you follow recipes from anywhere without mental math. The tare function makes it easy to switch between bowls and zero-out weight, which keeps your process fast and your counters less cluttered. For anyone tracking portions, calories, or macros, the fine resolution and milk milliliter option help log ingredients accurately. The capacity suits most home pantries, and the footprint stays friendly in small kitchens. Because it balances precision, unit flexibility, and practical portion control, this model earns a practical spot on any serious buying list. Number 4. This compact digital pocket scale focuses on small, precise readings rather than large kitchen tasks. Its 200-gram capacity and 0.01G accuracy suit experiments small batches and controlled portions. The unit options cover grams, ounces, and milliliters, which helps when following recipes from different sources. The slim design takes minimal counter space, making it attractive for tiny apartments or cramped shelves. Compared with other models, this scale targets users who need exact measurements for powders, extracts, and additives, instead of bulk cooking. For portion-control dieters, the fine increments support tighter tracking without overwhelming display size. If your projects involve frequent small weights and portability, this kind of pocket scale can fit smoothly into your routine. It earns a spot on the list by combining narrow accuracy, light build, and practical functionality in one compact package. Number 3. This scale highlights a compact footprint with a low profile and nearly flat platform. That shape fits neatly into small cabinets and leaves more counter space for prep. Its stainless steel platform looks easy to wipe clean after sticky dough or wet ingredients. One-touch units switch between grams, ounces, pounds, kilograms, and milliliters for liquid or dry formulas. A dedicated milk mode lets you measure specific volumes by weight, which can speed up simple drinks and sauces. The display numbers are large and clear, so reading results from an angle in a busy kitchen is straightforward. Capacity sits in the mid-range for most home recipes without taking up deep drawer space. For bakers who chase repeatable measurements, portion control needs, or tiny kitchen storage, this scale balances precision and practicality. It is placed on this list because it shows how thoughtfully the design serves everyday cooking constraints. Number 2. This scale focuses on straightforward precision with a clean, flat platform and minimalist buttons. It shows grams, ounces, and pounds, which suits bakers and meal preppers who switch between recipes. The tempered glass surface looks easy to wipe, and the unit is light enough to store in a cabinet. The claimed capacity targets typical household batch sizes, not huge restaurant use. Because it follows Amazon Basics expectations, you will find consistent documentation and wide replacement availability. The display should be visible in most lighting, but small markings can be hard to read if you are measuring tiny amounts of powerful ingredients. For tight budgets and basic weighing of flour, sugar, and liquids, this model balances simplicity and function without overcomplicating your workflow. It stays out of the way when not in use and gives predictable numbers for everyday tasks. If you want no-frills measuring with clear unit options, This scale fits naturally into a compact kitchen setup. Number 1. This scale keeps your kitchen visually calm with its slim profile and minimalist display. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale measures in grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, so recipes from anywhere translate easily. The low profile and simple touch buttons make cleaning straightforward, avoiding crumbs getting trapped. Compact size means it slides into a drawer without hassle, ideal for small counters. Multiple unit options suit baking precision and portion tracking needs, from strict diets to casual cooking. For bakers, the zero tracking function and tare feature help prevent costly mistakes by letting you weigh each ingredient in the same bowl. The large, easy-to-read numbers are considerate of aging eyes or quick glances. Because it handles both liquid and dry ingredients, it suits a wide range of techniques. In an overview, this scale fits bakers, dieters, and compact kitchen lovers looking for straightforward accuracy without complex extras. Whether you need a compact scale for everyday cooking, a higher capacity model for larger batches, or a precision option for baking and nutrition tracking, there's a pick here to fit your kitchen. Focus on the features that matter most to your routine, including capacity, measurement units, display readability, and tare performance. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this guide made your decision a little easier. You can find current pricing, availability, and full specifications for every model in the links below.